In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people on LinkedIn post. If you want to mention someone in a LinkedIn post so they're notified and your content feels more connected, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence the next time you publish. First, go to your LinkedIn home dashboard. This is the main feed page you see after signing in, where you can scroll through updates, view posts from your network, and create your own content. Starting from the home dashboard is important because that's where LinkedIn gives you the standard post creation box. Once you're on the home dashboard, click into the Start a Post field. This opens the Post Composer, where you can type out the message you want to share. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place before you start writing. If the post window expands, that's normal, and it simply gives you more space to create your content. Now, to tag someone in your LinkedIn post, type the @ symbol on your keyboard, then immediately begin typing the name of the person you want to tag. As you type, LinkedIn will usually show a list of matching profiles. When you see the correct person appear, select their name from the suggestions so LinkedIn recognizes the tag properly. This part matters because simply typing a person's name without selecting it from the list may not create an actual tag. As you continue writing, make sure the tagged name fits naturally into your post. Tagging is useful when you're giving credit, referencing a collaborator, highlighting a speaker or team member, or directing attention to someone involved in the topic you're posting about. It's a good idea to keep your post readable and relevant, so only tag people when it makes sense in the context of what you're sharing. After that, complete your post and click on Post. Before publishing, quickly read everything once to make sure the tag appears correctly and the message says exactly what you want it to say. If the person's name is highlighted as a proper LinkedIn tag, you're ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully tagged someone in a LinkedIn post. It's a small feature, but it can make your posts more engaging and help the right people get notified. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature.